Let's start with the Realme 10 Pro 5G, which comes in the standard yellow box that we're used to seeing. First, we have the SIM eject tool, a user manual, and a smoked black silicone case. Then there's the Realme 10 Pro, a 33-watt SuperVOOC power adapter, and a USB Type-C cable. Coming to the smartphone, the Realme 10 Pro features a polycarbonate casing with no glass back, regrettably. The flat sides of the phone definitely make it easier to hold on to. The 10 Pro's side rails are matte finished, which means they shouldn't attract fingerprints easily, but I can't say the same about the back panel, at least not for this variant with the glossy back. The SIM slot is on the phone's left side, while the power button, which also houses the fingerprint scanner, and the volume buttons are on the phone's right side. The camera module of the Realme 10 Pro 5G protrudes a little, exposing the lenses to potential scratches. It is a 2-camera setup with the primary 108-megapixel sensor on top and a 2-megapixel sensor on the bottom, followed by the flash. On the bottom, we have the USB Type-C charging port, speaker grill, microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, while at the top we have another microphone for noise cancellation. The main highlight of the 10 Pro is its display, which is a 6.72-inch IPS LCD panel with very narrow bezels on 3 sides except for the chin. The display is fairly sharp, has a refresh rate of 120Hz, and produces good colors. This smartphone has a 16-megapixel front-facing camera as well as a front-firing speaker. The Realme 10 Pro 5G uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G SoC. It is available in 2 variants, one with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and the other one with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The smartphone comes equipped with a 5000 mAh battery and supports 33-watt fast charging. The smartphone comes preloaded with Realme UI 4.0, which is based on Android 13. The packaging for the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G remains the same. We have the same contents as well, such as a SIM eject tool, a user manual, and a smoked black silicone case. Next up is the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G, a 67-watt SuperVOOC power adapter, and a USB Type-C charging cable. The Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G feels far more premium than the 10 Pro 5G, mainly because of the curved AMOLED display. Despite its higher price, this smartphone still uses a polycarbonate body with extremely thin bezels all around the display. The device's side rails are matte finished, and the power and volume keys are located on the right side of the smartphone. The USB Type-C charging port, SIM tray, speaker grill, and microphone are located on the bottom, while a speaker grill and a second microphone are located on the top. The camera module protrudes quite a bit on this model owing to how slim this smartphone is. This color of the 10 Pro Plus, just like the 10 Pro, attracts far too many fingerprints. The Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G uses the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 5G SoC. It is available in 3 variants, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage. The onboard 5000 mAh battery is large and should be sufficient to last one full day. It supports 67-watt fast charging. The smartphone comes with Realme UI 4.0 based on Android 13, just like the Realme 10 Pro. The Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G has 3 cameras, a primary 108-megapixel camera, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera along with a LED flash. In the front, the smartphone has a 6.7-inch curved AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120Hz and comes with the HDR10+ certification. Viewing content on this display is stunning based on the little time we had with the device. The phone also has an in-display fingerprint scanner and a 16-megapixel selfie camera. To know more about these 2 devices, do watch out for our full review.